In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the vampire TikTok filter, also known as the color selector filter. Okay, so once you've loaded up TikTok, you want to go to the discover option there by tapping on the magnifying glass next to the home button. Then in the search bar, you want to type in color selector. Now you'll be on this screen, and then you want to go over to the videos section, and generally you can tap on any one of these videos and it will play. And above the person's username, you can see it says color selector. If you go ahead and tap on that, that's going to open up the filter and you can add it to your favorites, and then you can add it to your favorites or you can try it out from the screen. So that would be how you get the vampire filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.